Hey friends, hi. So this is the platform that I was talking about, Genemo.ai. This is a pretty amazing platform for text to video AI video generator. I recently discovered this platform and it has some pretty amazing tools to generate your video right from text to video. So currently I'm working on this particular script which is all about this is all about Indian ancient architecture. So I tried this platform where if I can get some good clips generated for my video, and all you have to do is when you come on this platform, you need to come to this prompt box. So let's say I'm creating this video around Indian ancient architecture. So would like to have clips around that. So I type in this prompt over here, generate video for Indian ancient architecture. Right, so I click on submit. So it will generate the video in no time. It takes a while, about 15-20 seconds. So the prompt has been submitted, and I believe let's wait for another 15-20 seconds while the video is generated, and let's see what kind of result we get. Right, so our video is generated, and this is how it looks like. Pretty amazing, animated video that we got for the ancient Indian architecture. And you can further play around with this, wherein let's say if I click on time lapse, so it says time lapse of sunset over Taj Mahal. So it will give you another video, which is a time lapse video over Taj Mahal. So let's say I click on submit. So yeah, it will start generating a video around time lapse of sunset over Taj Mahal. So this way we can generate a lot of footage around the kind of video you want to create. It's a very intuitive platform. It also gives you ideas. It gives you various keywords which you can use around the video, around the keyword that you're looking for. So very intuitive platform, and it sort of helps you generate the video all around your keyword that you've been working on. Yes, so this video is ready. Yeah, this is another amazing video that we got, like a time-lapse video around Taj Mahal. So that's how it's got generated. So we got video number 1 over here, and then this is the second video. Now let's say if we take this one, this is a suggestion, inverted shot. So now it says time lapse of sunrise over Jurem National Park's cave dwellings. So we can generate a video around this, or let's say what it says about this time lapse of sunset over Macau Piku through the clouds. So yeah, maybe we can have that. So it keeps generating all the titles and sentences around which you may want to have a video. Since we are generating this video which is all about Indian architecture, so we would like to stick to that. And maybe we can again say, we can have a keyword which says generate video on Indian palaces. So, and we say submit. So it will quickly generate video around Indian palaces. So this way you can have various high quality animated videos around your keyword, and then you can have your entire YouTube video created around that keyword, around that script. So that's how it is, and as I said, it's very intuitive. It will keep suggesting you various titles, various themes. So like now this one has got an airy close-up of a haunted Indian palace, an interesting keyword on which you can generate a video. So let's click on nature theme. So a nature shot of an Indian palace garden with animal sounds. So this is another one. So it keeps improvising, whatever video that you want to generate, it keeps improvising as you put in the initial keyword. Well, let's say this one, a time lapse of a miniature model of an Indian palace being constructed. So it's very intuitive platform which kind of helps you keep generating multiple videos around the script that you are looking for. So let's say, so this one, like, it got a video, the video got generated around Indian palace. So we started with an Indian architecture. We have this video. Then we have a video for Taj Mahal, which is a sunset video. Then we have another video for an Indian for a palace. Now let's say it's given me more suggestion, which it says, okay, let's say if I take a nature theme, so a nature shot of an Indian palace garden with animal sounds. So let's say I click on submit. So now it will generate another video around this keyword of Indian palace garden with animal sounds. So as you can see, in no time, you can have multiple footages being generated on your keyword and on the script that you want to create the video around. So it's extremely powerful tool which can help you generate high quality animated videos around your keyword for your script. So if you're looking for a quick YouTube video to be, so this video got generated where we triggered this this particular prompt, a nature shot of an Indian palace garden with animal sounds. So it's given this amazing video around that. So now we have pretty few videos around Indian architecture, and we can keep building on keep generating footages around this keyword and have a pretty interesting video. So so this one is a free plan which I'm using right now. So you can generate almost around as close to 25 to 30 videos, and you can download them. The only thing is that these videos will come with the Genmo watermark. So but if you go with the paid subscription, if you take, let's say if you do get Turbo, this costs you hardly $10 a month, and wherein you can have in fact, in the free one, you can have 100 daily views. So in 24 hours, you can generate almost 100 high quality videos, but that will come with the watermark. In the paid version, you can almost generate 1,000 videos, and that will be watermark free. So if you see, $10 is hardly any amount. I mean, if you can generate 1,000 clips, high quality clips without the watermark, it's a pretty amazing deal. So I would be taking this on the paid version for sure, because this is an amazing tool and it's totally worth it. So and so these are the videos we generated, and you can download them. Let's see if we download one of the videos. And if you want to check out, let's see if I open the video, see the quality. I think it's just loading. Right, so that's how the quality is. Let me play the clip. You can see it's pretty amazing, high quality clip that got generated. And so this is a pretty amazing platform. So check this out. I've given the link below in the description. Start using the tool and generating these super high quality animated clips for your keyword and for whatever video that you might be looking for. Thank you. That's it for now from this video. Please do subscribe our channel, and we'll keep sharing some amazing AI video making tools on this particular channel. Thank you. Bye.